and help us to be wise in times when we don't know. Let this be our prayer when we lose our way. Lead us to a place, guide us with your grace, to a place where we'll be safe.
La luce che tu dai
I pray we'll find your
nel
light
cuore resterà,
and hold it in our heart.
a ricordarci che
When stars go out each night,
l'eterna stella sei nella mia preghiera.
let this be our prayer.
Quanta fede
We
c'è,
shall feel our day.
lead us to a place,
Guide us with your grace. Give us faith so we'll be safe.
sogniamo un mondo senza più violenza, un mondo di giustizia e di speranza, ognuno Dio l'ama solo vicino, simbolo di pace, di fraternità, la forza che ci dà
We ask that life be
il
kind
desiderio che
and watch us from above.
ognuno trovi amore
We hope it's all we'll find.
intorno e dentro sé.
Another soul to love. Let this be our prayer. Let this be our prayer.
Just like every child,
Just like every child, need to find a place. Guide us with your grace. Give us faith so we'll be safe.
e la fede che hai acceso in noi, sento che ci
Jesus said to his disciples, "See that you are dressed for action, and have your lamps lit. Be like men waiting for their master to return from the wedding feast, ready to open the door as soon as he comes and knocks. Happy those servants whom the master finds awake when he comes. I tell you solemnly, he will put on an apron, sit them down at table, and wait on them. It may be the second watch he comes, or in the third, but happy those servants if he finds them ready. You may be quite sure of this, that if the householder had known at what hour the burglar would come, he would not have let anyone break through the wall of his house. You too must stand ready, because the Son of Man is coming at an hour you do not expect."
Sa puso't diwa, tayo'y isa lamang. Kahit na tayo'y magkawala. Magmahalan tayo't magtulungan. At kung tayo'y bigo, ay huwag limutin na may Diyos tayo't nagmamahal. Sikapin sa ating pagtungo, ipamalitan sa buong mundo. Pag-ibig ng Diyos na siyang sumakop sa bawat pusong uhaw sa pagsuyo. Pagkat ang Diyos natin, Diyos ng pag-ibig, magmahalan tayo't magtulungan. At kung tayo'y bigo, ay huwag limutin na may Diyos tayo't nagmamahal. Pagkat ang Diyos natin, Diyos ng pag-ibig, magmahalan tayo't magtulungan. At kung tayo'y bigo, ay huwag limutin na may Diyos tayo. Diyos ay
idalada ka sana ing paraiso ding sablang angeles, lualasang salubong keka ding martires at idalada ka ing banal na syudad ning bayu at ala ng Jerusalem. Idalada ka sana ing paraiso ding sablang